Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to show you just the basics of Fusion for the beginners so they understand a little bit about Fusion going into it. Stuff I wish I would have known when I first started. Nobody had anything out there at the time. I almost always start out with a background. And you should have a black screen. A lot of your tools are right on this toolbar. On the right, there's a lot of the 3D stuff you'll use. Particles, mask, transforms, merges, stuff like that here. If you have a node selected, and you click on it, it'll automatically connect it. And these inputs matter. The green is the foreground. That'll be on top. Whatever you got connected into the background. I'm just going to set these ellipses up to show you how they're layered. Basically, if you go from left to right, everything will stack on top of each other. You can merge them in like that. And if you look, the blue one is on top of the red one. The first one here is the red one. The blue one's on top of the red one. Now the green one's on top of the blue one. So everything you connect from left to right will stack on top of each other. It's technically layering like on a timeline. If I right click on here, swap the inputs. Now if you look, the green one is under the blue. I just switched the inputs. Here's the background, the yellow. The green is the foreground. And the blue is to connect the mask to mask anything that's connected to the foreground of the merge. If you look, it's only affecting the green one, the one it's connected to. And if I invert that, there'll be a hole in it. And do the same thing down here. So invert it, there'll be a hole in it. So remember the inputs matter. The yellow is the background. Green is the foreground. Green will always be on top of the yellow. Blue is the mask. And you work from left to right. Now we want this red one to be on top of the blue. Just select the merge. And swap the inputs. It just reverses the foreground and the background. And within these merges, there's actually a transform. Look at the green one. You can add a transform anywhere. They'll do the same thing. Whatever you move in this merge will affect what's going on the foreground. Same thing with this one. It only affects that one. If you want to move everything as a group, you can add a transform. That moves everything as one. But if you do it within the merge, it'll only affect that one. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.